Okay, boys and girls, we are in Unit 10. This is Lesson 7. So our first part is going to be reviewing some of our newer tricky words. All right, so I'm going to point and you're going to tell me what it is. Ready? Right. She. Put up here. Be. Make sure you're saying it loudly. Right. We. He. And me. What do you notice about the words be, me, we, she, he? I'm noticing two things. Are you noticing anything? Oh, I just heard somebody say they're rhyming. Yes, they're rhyming words. Right. Kiss your brain if you thought that. What else is the same? Think about the vowel sound. Did you say they all have the E sound in them? Oh, kiss your brain again if you said that. Yeah, they both do. All right, I'm going to pull up two more tricky words that we had a little trouble with on Zoom the other day. All right, there's two words here that we seem to forget a little bit, but that's okay. You're going to get them. I'm not worried. All right, so what is that one? That says, yeah, it's like Mom says, time for dinner. Let's spell says. S-A-Y-S, says. Now this one got us big time the other day on Zoom. What's that word? Yeah, that's the word were, okay? Sometimes people want to say, oh, I think it's where. No, it would need an H in it, right? That's were, okay? Like, we were going to go outside and play, and then it rained, all right? So we have says and were. All right, boys and girls, our next activity is going to be either a thumbs up or a thumbs down. Do you know why you're going to put thumbs up or thumbs down? We're listening for the A sound in a word. Yeah, like acorn, A. All right, so if you hear A, thumb up. If you don't hear A, thumb down. See if you can do it before I put my thumb up or down. All right, first word, cake. Yeah, thumb up. Tap. Yeah, that's an A, not an A. We need that sound of A, what you hear. All right. Ball. Right. Chain. Yeah, chain. You hear it in there. How about chat? Yeah, you hear an ah. Skate. Skate. Yeah, there's an A in there. Rat. Right, thumb down. Last one. Rain. Yeah, rain. You hear an A in it? Great job. All right, boys and girls. So we have the long A sound coming to us today. All right, so in our workbook, what you're going to see is you're going to see an A and a magic E. Because that magic E is not saying a word. It doesn't say E or E. It's super quiet, but it helps this A make its long sound, its own sound. It's actually its own sound, okay? The A is what you hear. A is its name, though, okay? So you're hearing what it actually is, its name. So in between, there's going to be another letter, a consonant letter that's going to come there. So our CKLA books always have that long A sound as A blank E. Let's take a look at one of the words. All right, so if we didn't know about, I'm going to actually move that E out of the frame there. We might blend this word like this. We might say ack, mac. But it's not the word mac when there's an E on the end. This E here is helping. It's a quiet E. It makes no sound at all. So that's why we like to call it a magic E, because it's magically making this letter A say its name A. So let's take a look and let's try it. Ache. We don't hear that. Make. That's the word make. Let's try another one. Okay, so again, we see the A. All the way on the end, we see the E. So it's kind of like we have to train our brains. We always go left to right, but now we have to train our brains a little bit to say, hey, I also need to take a peek at the right-hand side of the word. And if there's that magic E on it, then I need to read this word with its own name sound in it. So we say G, aim. What's that word? Game. Let's try some more. All right, so let's take a look at our word. We all the way on the end here, we're training our brains to say, I'm seeing that E. It's a magic E. It's making this A not give its sound of ah, but its actual name of A. When we call that the letter A, when it makes its own name sound, it's A. So let's try this word. Ache. Right, cake. All right, let's look at this one. Again, your brain's probably already saying a little bit, saying, hey, there's that magic E. Magic E's telling this letter A, make that A sound. All right, go ahead. Let me hear you sound it out. I'm not going to make any sounds. You do it. What's that word? Yeah, it's grape. What's our word? Grape. All right. Okay, let's take a look at that one. Again, you're seeing that E, telling that A, make your A sound. What's the word? Yeah, gave. That's gave. And this is a new character we're going to meet today. So here's our E. It's saying make your A. You can see it's a name because why? Why is that a name? Tell somebody around you how you know that's a name. Yes, because all names begin with a capital letter. Great remembering. Let's go ahead and sound it out. Jade. Jade. So our new character in one of our stories is going to be Jade. All right, our next activity is our new Scott story. And our story starts on page 12. See if you can find that. Okay, go ahead and read the title. There's our page 12, backtrack. Go ahead. Remember, it's a long A. Yeah, cake and grapes. All right, let's find out about cake and grapes. All right, you follow along while I read, okay? Cake and grapes. Scott got a cake to share with his pal Jade. Jade got a bunch of red grapes to share with Scott. Scott went to Jade's and gave Jade the cake. Jade gave Scott the grapes. Then the kids sat and ate. Jade ate all of Scott's cake. Scott ate all of Jade's grapes. That's making me kind of hungry. Well, there we go. So now we see Jade. What is Jade eating? Yeah, she's eating cake. Where did she get the cake from? Yeah, she got it from Scott. What did Scott get from Jade? Right, he got the grapes. Look at Jade and Scott's clothes and shoes. What type of weather do you think it is? Think about what it feels like outside. What do you think? Do you think it's cold, chilly, warm? What do you think? Yeah, I bet warm too. I'm noticing that both of them are wearing short sleeve shirts. And if you take a look, Scott has shorts on and Jade has on like capri pants, okay? They're kind of rolled up a little bit. What's the weather like today? Okay, let's take a look at your work today. So you are working on A words, words that have the A sound in them. What's that word? Yeah, make. So remember, training your brain to look for that magic E on the end, making that A make its long sound. So you're going to be writing the word make. What word are you writing down here? Yeah, same. Watch this. If I cover up that magic E, what's the word? Yeah, it's Sam. So see how important that magic E is? When that comes at the end, it's taking that A sound and turning it into an A sound. Same. All right, let's look at one more page. All right, here you're going to read the word and write it under the picture that tells about it. All right, guys, I can't wait to see your great work. Remember that A sound.